When people think of ice cream sandwiches, they usually think of 2 cookies with ice cream squished in the middle. But in Singapore, they take it to the next level because they actually make it a sandwich with bread. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a durian ice cream sandwich with homemade durian ice cream. It's gonna be stinky and super delicious. Let's get started. It's spiky, it's kind of scary looking, and it could probably be used as a weapon. This, you guys, is durian, and it's known as the king of fruit in some parts of the world. Now, how do we get into a durian? Well, you need a sharp knife. You have to be extra careful. And we're gonna give it a pierce and just push right through. Ready? Check this out. Oh my gosh. The smell is intense, but I personally love durian. A lot of people think that it has this weird, funky, dirty gym sock kind of smell, but the flavor payout is so great. Let's get this out of its pods. So they come in pods. The fruit actually, sort of like this, kind of looks like eggy, kind of custardy, and let's give it a taste, you guys. My favorite. It's super creamy. It's kind of like creme caramel in fruit form. And you just want to harvest all of that beautiful golden flesh. Now let's make the ice cream base. And I love this ice cream because it's so easy. It only takes 3 ingredients and you don't need an ice cream machine. So in goes my durian pulp. Just like that. Honestly, the sound that it makes is so funny. It's just like, it's so in sync. I feel like, you know, with the funky smell, the weird texture, it's just so appropriate. And then I have a can of one of my favorite ingredients, thickened condensed milk. This is so delicious. So great just straight out of the can, but then in this ice cream, it just makes it so lovely and smooth and rich and thick. And we're gonna blitz this up until it's nice and smooth. All right, my condensed milk and durian mixture is nice and smooth. Now I'm gonna go get my whipped cream and we're gonna fold this into the whipped cream. This is my whipped cream. I just whipped up some everyday heavy cream, or whipping cream as some of you guys may call it, until the peaks were nice and stiff. And now we're gonna fold this mixture into the cream. All right, Oop. Just slide it all out. You want every last bit of that durian goodness, and then just fold it through. All right, so this looks really good, and I have a loaf tin here that I've just lined with a little bit of plastic wrap, and we're just gonna pour this mixture in. All right, just smooth it out, nice and even. And now I'm just gonna fold back the plastic a little bit and pop it into the freezer overnight until it firms up. All right, you guys, now I'm joined by my friend Erin. She works here at Tastemade, and a little while ago we did an exotic fruit taste test, and you had durian for the first time.
I did.
And what did you think?
Yeah, I hated it so much. I didn't know I could hate a fruit that much.
Right, and I promised you that I would make you durian ice cream and that it might change your mind. So here we are.
I'm so excited.
I'm gonna flip this over for you.
I'm also super terrified.
I kind of love that she's terrified though.
It's a fruit, but I swear it tastes like some sort of animal. Not
What's her
alive.
animal?
Like something you might find on a hike. All right.
Where do you go hiking? All right, so this is the fun bit. So when I had ice cream sandwiches, or the durian ice cream sandwich, I had it in Singapore, and they don't put them between cookies. They put them on white bread, which I think is pretty delicious. So I'm gonna get you a nice thick slab.
This is awesome.
I think we need to get a little more on there.
Oh yeah. It slices
It's like,
beautifully.
right? That's like the joy of no churn ice cream, girl.
What?
All right.
Oh my God.
And then let's get another slice on top.
Look at that.
Doesn't that look good?
That's beautiful.
Okay, should I cut it this way?
Yeah.
I think so. Okay, let's do that.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh
Okay,
my God,
ready?
oh my God.
It's happening.
Are we gonna cheers?
Yeah, I think we
Okay.
should. Ready? It's fun.
It doesn't smell bad.
All right, cheers.
Okay, cheers. It still tastes like chicken. What is wrong with this fruit? It's got like an umami type of like.
So this is the Singaporean ice cream sandwich. A slice of durian ice cream in between white bread. I think it's delicious. Erin still thinks it tastes like chicken. But hey,